The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Motorhome is a revolutionary fusion of American muscle and elegance. This supercharged motorhome's aggressive, sleek exterior and remarkable performance make it the perfect choice for thrill seekers who can't decide between speed and comfort. Performance. This RV is not like the others. The 2026 Shelby Motorhome's 5.2-liter V8 supercharged engine generates more than 800 horsepower. For superior handling and traction, it features a 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-biased all-wheel drive. Among the performance characteristics are road flexibility and smooth turns are made possible by an active exhaust system with adjustable sound modes and magnetic ride suspension. Carbon ceramic brakes for track-level stopping, a Shelby-tuned chassis for improved handling. The Shelby Motorhome is a motorhome miracle because, despite its small size, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. External design. The body blends Shelby GT 500 aggression with campervan utility. The vehicle features a solar roof, aerodynamic side panels with Shelby stripes, a unique front grille with LED trademark lighting, 2 exhausts with a tuned growl, and 22-inch forged alloy wheels. Features and interior design. A sumptuous Shelby brand environment awaits you, complete with premium materials and elements inspired by motorsports. Customizable RGB lighting themes, racing-style lounge seats with carbon fiber trim, a 50-inch OLED wall-mounted TV with the greatest surround sound, and auto-tinting glass and panoramic windows. Features of the bedroom include a king-size memory bed with Shelby embroidery, 2 nightstands with wireless charging, a blackout ceiling vent, smart climate control, and excellent storage with soft-close drawers. Motion sensor vanity lighting, a backlit mirror, an eco-friendly water recycling system for lengthy flights, a sleek ceramic toilet with a heated seat and bidet, and a full wet bath with a rainfall shower and water-saving technology are all features of the bathroom. A kitchenette, full-size refrigerator, wine cooler, fold-out eating booth, integrated espresso maker, smart oven, touch-controlled induction cooktop, satellite internet, 5G hotspot, 360-degree camera with track mode rear view, and Sync 5 powered control center. Lithium-ion battery bank and full solar charging system for off-grid independence. Integrated Shelby driving simulator for entertainment. In conclusion, the Ford Mustang Shelby Motorhome of 2026 is a breakthrough in lifestyle. Its explosive performance, daring design, and opulent elegance make it the perfect choice for fast-paced and track-ready holidays. Whether you're racing or camping in the bush, this beast makes a statement.